We have a problem. Our gutter boards are rotted. Now we'll have to replace the gutters. We got a quote, but it was crazy. Let's see if we can get this job taken care of with some good old sweat equity. We bought a hoarder house, and after getting all their stuff out, we still have work to do.
I'm at the side of the house now, taking down this gutter right here so I can replace that gutter board that's behind there. See, it's just wide open. I guess it got rotten and didn't want to like it no more. So I'm pulling off my metal pieces right now so I can put it back on there once I put that new board up. So I'm about to finish doing this. I had to try to not kill myself next to that electric power. Gotta be safe when you're working next to that stuff with aluminum. Now I'm throwing up the new wood on the fascia. It looked like it actually a fit, so we might be good with that. Got the first two boards up, looking good already. Go ahead and knock out them other ones. I'm putting this 2x4 in the back of those, nailing them from the bottom, and then smacking them in so those can be buttered together there, and I ain't got to worry about making no special cuts and wasting wood. I'm marking each of my little studs. I got them marked underneath there though. So when I put this gutter back, I know where I'm nailing. On to the next section. So I got all the wood up there finished. Now I'm putting this flashing metal back up there. I'm still gonna have to put a piece of drip edge on the edge of it though. I ain't even got that many nails. I should have kept the ones that came out, so I'm gonna have to look through this grass and see if I can find some.
So what are we up to? We are trying to get Zeus. Zeus is a 10-foot piece. Don't do it. Come on, Poison Ivy.
Man, that's still leave 3. They said they were on vines.
But look, this different. This like a leaf, but this right here, 1, 2, 3.
It's time for fascia and soffit finishes. We took old sheet metal to a warehouse for residential roofing. We'll need the metal to be bent to look like this.
I don't make any money doing this. I'm just doing this to be nice.
Oh, appreciate it.
I'm going to charge you.
Just appreciate you for doing it. But some people would just be like, no.
I always say no. They want me to stand out here and make a whole house.
How long y'all been over here?
18 for me.
18
Dad was here
years.
19. Yeah, Dad was here 19.
Wow.
They opened that site in 83.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what all y'all guys do?
It's all now residential roofing pretty much. Okay, come around. You need to be assistant. Grab the metal. Put a little down here. Up. Can you see my mouth? That's why I turn the lights on. You can't see shit over here.
I believe this is right here. Oh, right there. Okay.
Handles way back here. Come up. You gotta make a run. You got your knife?
Yep.
What you're gonna do is start here. Gotta stay in that V. Score that all the way down. And then come back and do it again. This is why this is a pain. Because that right there is a 10-foot shear. That would do it just by stepping your foot. But it don't work.
Wow.
You cut a good one there. With that handle. The handle is right. No.
This one.
Yeah. Grab the metal. Be careful, it's a sharp at the cutter.
Grab my glove.
I can grab it.
How many is that? 4 or 3?
3.
There's 6.
Look at that, nailing it now. Go pop that metal. That goes back there. No, Megan.
Crazy. Last time I used a brake, I was like 16, probably 17. That's when I first learned how to do it.
I learned it in high school, but we didn't learn much. Well, we'll do this one this way. I'll do the next one the other way. Maybe there. It's going to be a little different down there than it is up here, too. It's an old bridge.
Okay.
Hold on, put it back on the table. Here, go like this. Go in here. We got to mark this side. Yeah, we'll go in here. This one's a... Sorry, my language.
Oh, no, you're fine.
This is why I didn't want to do it this way. Never do this, by the way. How an idiot does it. If you're not on, wait, let's both get on. Because if you're not on, it's going to work the middle. Are you on?
Nope.
Alright. And that's a 90. You can push it a little. Give it that last little bit.
Oh,
Well, you good, because I don't even think it's a perfect 90.
You can always kind of massage it into place. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah.
it is.
yeah. That's cool.
That's good.
Good enough for government work. I'll be back.
No, that's cool.
Okay.
Inch and a half from that edge.
Inch and a half from that big.
Inch and a half. This is all nail for a gutter, the old style gutters.
Wow.
You know, here you can use it as a pencil.
Advertisement. It says, come alive. You're in the Pepsi generation. Pepsi Cola.
It's crazy how like with this older industrial stuff, this only got like 2 motions. So all you gotta do with this is just make sure you oil it. Well, I guess it's like the same thing with the new ones too. But like with this, like you said with this shear, this got a motor on it. That's crazy. It'd be like, oh, I ain't making that much money, so doing this stuff, so ain't no point in me putting all that money into this.
Yeah, that's just sharp too.
Seeing the little shreds from it.
Yeah,
Oh.
but have to be careful handling it. That should fit right into this one.
The same thing that breaks it.
So Bay is installing drip edge right now. I done went off and started sleeping, and he done got in a groove and put this piece up by himself. But I told him, let me know if he need help.
Alright, what was my number?
You got your 31, so 9.5. I'm just confused a little bit.
This right here is gonna be gone.
Okay. Now this is gonna be the moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun. So I'm back here just trying to clean up a little bit. Ugh. This is literally what the inside of this house looks like. I already cleaned this alleyway. Hey, it's back to it. So I guess he really just needed 2 ladders, not 2 people. Boy.
Easy way to break some wet wood. Lean it up against something, make it garbage can size. Start right in the middle. Damn. Look at that.
Z-boo.
Grab them all up. Go to your garbage can. Bang.
Do you think these poison berries, man,
These things used to always be around like our trees, like when we was younger.
them used to be in front of my grandma's house,
It's like, what is they though? Are they poison?
right? Or do they just not want us to eat it because it's too easy to grow?
Or do our parents were saying they were poison because they ain't know what they was?
They look like goji berries or something like that.
One level.
Let me try. Let me try.
Jump on that joint.
What was that game we was playing? And I kept on picking the wrong girl.
Mortal Kombat. Katana. Look at this dude. I want to break it too. This poison ivy over there on that fence. We need like a book. What's poisonous, what's not?
This is why I have these on high socks tucked and pants tucked in there looking raggedy. I do not care. This looks disgusting. Okay, it's looking 10 times better. Let's see what Bay is doing. Almost there.
Gotta nail this strip head thing. I'm a piece of metal, then we throw it together.
We kind of had a little reduce, reuse, recycle situation going on over here. So you see the new piece of coil versus the old, but it's okay. But yeah, we gonna paint it. I guess we could have spray painted it before we put it up, huh?
Yes.
While he's there, why not go ahead and make the repair that needs done? At this point, we need a sponsor. We be buying too many of the same things. Come on now, come on.
Whole boxes. Who you know buying whole boxes?
So time to get these gutter clips lined up to make it easy to access. Guess we're gonna put these 2 feet apart. One. We also have another gutter that was already here that we're about to wipe down. Cause reduce, reuse, recycle, okay? And they want to get sprayed so bad. But also got a little concoction over here, some purple power and some bleach and some good old water. The kids want to scrub it down.
So scrubbing down the gutter. See, it got a whole bunch of dirt off already. So they playing. I'm about to grab that and just hurry up and get the scrubbing this boy down. Finally gets daylight. And we about to get home. Look at these bugs. I got ate up already. Don't move too fast though. You gotta make sure you scrubbing that good.
Babe, you want that spray?
No, wait till I move. About to install these gutter clips, but they different from the traditional ones we use. The ones we use with the newer style gutters, they come with a screw on here and we can just easily screw them into the house. But since this got a weird fascia board on there, they can't screw into that gutter board because it's at an angle, which means the gutter would be at an angle if you screw it, and that ain't gonna be right. So we use these gutter clips right here. One end, you could push it in and it's like a twist lock. But then you attach this to the roof up there, and then it'll hold the gutter like that. How to install it. See, they come apart like this, so they come with 4 hangers and then 4 straps. And then you gotta buy these screws separately. So these are just self-piercing gutter screws. And where this screw is gonna go, you wanna put these spaced out every 2 feet in right there. So it clips under the gutter lip, and then this end pushes down and lock in like that. And then you wanna take your screw and screw into this hole right here, and that'll just keep this gutter clip from popping out from that back. Y'all see it's 2 different holes right here that our strap can go in. This one right here might be cool. That'll hold that front up good, so I might use this front one, or we can use the middle one. We'll see. Somebody calling. Maybe it's the long guy. Scam.
Preparation. Screw time.
Make sure they don't split. That's why it's good to have a tool belt. Anybody want to send us a tool belt? They got a screw pouch, or let us know some good recommendations.
This what happen when your parents working and you think you could just do anything. We got them cleaning the TV, aka window frame. And we got Bay over here picking up spilled nails.
And grass.
Then lost the drill bit.
So I lost my 1/4-inch drill bit. Dang.
And getting ate up by the skeeter. I need to return that mosquito spray, huh?
I just spray myself again. If I get bit, I'm suing.
Sit down, Spider-Man.
So the hole that's here on the back of the gutter there, you want to take your screw. I had an actual quarter-inch bit. This will be stuck in there because it got a magnet. Difficult to do when you ain't got the right tools. Damn.
That'll work. Please don't tell me that will have to be done for the roof too.
No, on the roof. You gotta put roofing nails into those straps. Gotta lift up the shingle unless we put it on top of the shingle.
Then we need to find that drill bit.
I used to always make like that funny Mike voice for what his name, Money Mike. Yeah, people wrong.
What's that his name? You talking about Cat Willis?
Yeah.
I was just telling them that y'all need to turn
Cool. Put them on these. It'll be more leverage.
So Bay is up there flapping some of these up so we can install the hook under versus putting it on top of the roof and having to caulk the nails. We're trying to figure out if we will be able to just kind of nail those shingles back down or if they will be negatively impacted from being scraped up.
because other than that, you're gonna have to replace those shingles, which I really don't want to do.
I'm waiting for a bug to come in here so I can be like this.
Why you didn't get up on the roof?
Because I did mom.
Oh, you too long. Oh, mommy.
Mama, can I tell you?
Nah, that's okay.
I got it.
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow ways. Going after goals, I ain't got no time to waste.